Most of the students reached. Okay, children, good evening to all.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. So morning
Good
I
evening,
took factor theorem, isn't it? Morning I took factor
Yes.
theorem, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So factor theorem, the other sums based on factor theorem will do now. We'll do now. Okay. Shall we start? Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So you have your notes with you.
Yes.
Okay. So take your notes and start writing. Okay, children. Wait. Okay, children, write the question. Okay. Write the question. First one, based on factor theorem. First one, examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 and of 2x plus 4. Examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 and of 2x plus 4. Examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of this. So, how will you check this? X plus 2 is a factor means, which is the 0? Do you remember? Listen, children. Did you finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, wait. Did you finish writing?
Yes.
I don't know whether you remember or not morning class. If x minus 2 is a factor, then which is the 0? P of 2 is 0. Correct?
Question.
If it is minus, here it should be plus. And if x plus 2 is a factor, what is 0? P of
-2.
negative 2 will be 0. Isn't it? So, here in this question, you have to identify whether x plus 2 is a factor or not. So, how will you check? Which number you will check? Which number?
-2.
X plus 2 is a factor means P of
-2.
negative 2 you have to check, okay? P of negative 2. So that is the main difference in this. If it is plus, you have to check it as minus 2. Okay, children, so you proceed like this. That is, if x plus 2 is a factor, implies P of negative 2 is 0. So, P of x equal to P of x equal to x cube plus 3x square. Rewrite that number, that polynomial, and find P of -2. If you are getting 0 as an answer, it is a factor. If you are not getting 0, if you are getting any other number, it is not a factor. Okay. Okay, children. Check P of -2 and check whether you are getting 0 as an answer.
Yes, ma'am, it is 0.
Yes, ma'am. 0.
You are getting 0.
Both. Both.
Both you got 0.
0.
Okay.
0. 4 minus.
Okay. 0, 0. So will you tell the steps? Will you tell the steps? -2 all cube plus 3 into -2 all square plus 5 into -2 plus 6. So it is -8 plus 3 into +4 minus 10 plus 6. -8 plus 12 minus 10 plus 6. -18 plus +18, answer is 0. Clear? Okay, children. So what did you understand from this? If P of
It is a factor.
-2 is 0, x plus 2 is a factor. Therefore, x plus 2 is a factor. Okay, so this is the conclusion. X plus 2 is a factor. Okay, children? Did you understand? Will you do the second one? If x plus 2 is a factor, then x plus 2 is a factor, then x plus 2 is a factor, then P of -2 equal to 0. So P of x equal to 2x plus 4. P of -2 equal to 2 into -2 plus 4. That is -4 plus 4. You will get 0 there also. So the conclusion is x plus 2 is a factor for this also. Okay, children? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give the next question. I think you understood it. The main thing is that if a factor is given, that constant is negative, you have to put as positive. Straight opposite. If x minus 2, you have to find P of 2. If it is x plus 2, you have to find P of -2. Both, when you shift to right side, it will become negative. Clear? Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll give the next question. Question is, show that, second question, show that x plus 1 and 2x minus 3 x plus 1 and 2x minus 3 are factors of 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus 12. 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus 12. Okay, children, you are going to write the answer of it. Answer is, if x plus 1 is a factor, which number you should check? If x plus 1 is a factor, which number you should check? Yes? Tell me.
-1.
1. Negative 1.
P of
Negative 1.
negative 1 you should check. After doing this, I will explain the next one. Did you get the answer?
Ma'am, 0.
Okay, children. Did you get the answer?
0.
0. First one you should find the answer. Wait. Second one I'll explain. Did you get 0? How many of you got 0?
Yes.
Adidev?
Yes.
Prajod, Meghna, Heinz Steve, Aditya, Hadidi, Savio, Rose, Vishnupriya, Aman, Melvin, okay? Shall I explain?
Yes.
Okay, children, P of negative 1. That is 2 into negative 1 all cube minus 9 into negative 1 all square plus negative 1 plus 12. Clear? Yes? Now, 2 into negative 1 whole cube is negative 1 minus 9 into positive 1 plus negative 1 plus 12. Negative 2 minus 9 plus negative 1 plus 12. How did you get the answer? What answer you will get is negative 12 plus positive 12. Is it 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it 0? So, conclusion is x plus 1 is a factor. Isn't it, children? X plus 1 is a factor. Okay? We'll proceed the next one. Listen. Listen, children. Children, listen. Okay, children, listen. Next one is, you have to check 2x minus 3 as a factor. 2x minus 3. Actually, listen. When you substituted x minus 2, sorry, x plus 1 equal to 0, that factor equal to 0, x equal to this plus 1, when you shift, you will get negative 1 to this side, right? Are you listening? Listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, listen. How, if it is given that it is a factor, listen. If it is given that x plus 1 is a factor, you are doing like this. X plus 1 is a factor implies when you shift x plus 1, equate x plus 1 to 0, x equal to 0 minus 1, you will get negative 1. That is why you are writing p of negative 1. Clear? How did you get that negative 1, p of negative 1? That factor you have to equate to 0. So when that constants, when you shift it to the right side, you will get p of negative 1. X the value as negative 1. So here also, you have to do the same thing. 2x minus 3, given that 2x minus 3 is a factor. Given that 2x minus 3 is a factor. When you get a factor like this, you have to equate 2x minus 3 to 0. Clear? Then what is x value? 2x equal to 2x minus 3 equal to 0. 2x equal to, yes, children,
3.
bring that negative 3 to this side.
3.
3. And what is x? X is
3 by 2.
3 by 2. So you should find p of 3 by 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever you get a factor, equate that factor to 0. So you get that x value. That is, we are getting the same negative number, the same number with the negative, both opposite sign. If it is given that x plus 1 is a factor, if it is given that x plus 1 is a factor, how will you proceed? X plus 1 you equate to 0. So x equal to negative 1. So p of negative 1 we are checking. Did you understand?
Yes.
Suppose if x plus 2 is a factor, x plus 2 is a factor, how will you proceed? X plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to, shift this to negative right side and it is x equal to negative 2. So p of negative 2. Did you understand how you are getting that negative 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here in this second question, it is given that 2x minus 3 is a factor. 2x minus 3 is a factor. Okay, children? So how will you do? How will you do? When you get a factor, equate that to 0. Tell me the steps. Tell me the steps. Don't keep the silent.
2x,
2x minus 3
is equal
equal
to
to
0.
0.
2x equal to 0.
2x
2x
equal
is equal to 3.
3. and x equal to
3 by 2.
3 by 2. And you have to check P of 3 by 2. P of 3 by 2. Okay, children? You should check P of 3 by 2. If it is 0, it is a factor. Now you write the polynomial again. Write the polynomial again. You should check P of 3 by 2. You are writing the polynomial again. Okay? Polynomial is f of x equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus 12. Check P of 3 by 2. P of 3 by 2. Instead of x, you should substitute 3 by 2. Okay. P of 3 by 2. Okay, children? Melvin, are you doing? Meghna, Aman? Hadidi, turn the video. Okay, children. So substitute 3 by 2. 2 into 3 by 2 all cube minus 9 into 3 by 2 all square plus 3 by 2 plus 12 plus 12. Will you tell the steps? Yes, children? Will you tell the steps? What is 3 by 2 all cube? What is 3 by 2 all cube? Tell. What is this?
27
Yes.
divided by 8.
Okay, only Adidev is telling, say hence also, roof also. 27 by
8.
8 minus 9 into
9 by 4.
9 by 4
9 by 4. Then
plus
plus 3 by
3
2
by 2
plus 12. Now, tell me. Now listen, children. Here
Now.
you can cut short, cancel that
2 and 8.
2 and 8. So you will get this same number 27 by 4. Here also 9 into 9 is 81 by 4, right? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 3 by 2 plus 12. Again, okay. Now, this 27 by 4 and 27 by 4 and 81 by 4 you can subtract.
Right.
27 minus 81 by 4 together you can write because it is like fractions. Yes. What is 27 minus 81? 81 minus 27. 81 minus 27 and 1 minus sign.
Negative 50.
Yes. Answer? Negative
54.
54 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 12. Now find the LCM. Find the LCM.
4.
4 is the LCM. Yes, children? 4 is the LCM. Now, negative 54 by 4, nothing to do. But 3 by 2 you should do by multiplying with 2. And 12 also multiplying with the 4. 12 by 1 like this. Okay. So negative 54 by 4 plus 6 by 4 plus 48 by 4. All together divided by 4. Negative 54 plus 6 plus 48. Can you tell the answer of this? Yes, children? What is the answer?
0.
Okay, negative 54 plus 54 by 4. And answer is 0. Afsana?
0.
Afsana, your audio video is always stuck. I don't know whether you are writing anything or not. Always stuck in all the classes. I'm sitting here and watching you all when you are coming in all the classes. And some of the children's video is always stuck. No response. Which all questions, whichever teacher is asking anything, no response. Okay, children, did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
2x, whenever a factor is given, equate that to 0. So you will get the value to substitute. Okay. Okay, children, next question is, find the value of k. Write the question. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. K if x minus 1 is a factor of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. Children, did you understand this question? We have done these questions as in other zero of a polynomial. Same thing, but it is given that x minus 1 is a factor. Then how will you find the zero of the polynomial? What do you mean by x minus 1 is a factor?
We will substitute
When you substitute
x by positive 1.
x, p of positive 1. Okay, p of positive 1. So your first step is, you should do like this. Okay, children. First step you should do like this. Given x minus 1 is a factor. Okay. If x minus 1 is a
Ma'am.
factor, yes?
I am rejoining again because I have network problem.
It's okay. X minus 1 is a factor means, implies x minus 1 you equate to 0. That is x equal to, shift that to, it is x equal to 1. That implies P of 1 equal to 0. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now f of x equal to, you have to write it again, 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k, and P of 1. Find P of 1 or f of 1? F of 1. F of 1. Check whether it is a factor. Sorry, find the value of k. Answer is given as 0. When you substitute 1, check whether you are getting the value of k.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the value?
-3.
Negative 3. Yes, negative 3. Many are doing. Okay, Adidev got. Negative 3 is the answer.
Ma'am, -3 only.
Yes. Negative 3. Meghna, Aman, Ashik, Vishnupriya, and Mary, Prajod. Okay. 4 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus k equal to 0. 4 minus 3 minus 4 plus k equal to 0. 4 and 4 will get cancelled, and negative 3 plus negative 3 or positive 3?
Positive 3.
Positive 3.
Yes, 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 yes.
And 4 plus 3 minus
Yes, yes, plus 3, right?
4
Plus
plus
3.
3.
Okay, plus 3. Plus k equal to 0. K equal to negative 3. Okay? Okay, children? Yes, k equal to negative 3. K equal to negative 3. I'll show it again. So, did you understand? Today's main thing what we studied is, the gist of the topic today is, when you get a factor, that factor you have to equate to 0. So, you will get the value of x. That value you have to substitute. Okay. So, you have to equate whatever value you got, that equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. 2x minus 3 equal to 0, 2x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 2, like that. Okay, children? Yes? So, did you understand?
Yes.
Today I will send the homeworks to you. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, did you understand factor theorem and remainder theorem?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, yes. Factor theorem and remainder theorem. And tomorrow we are starting with the algebraic identities. Again, the previously what we have studied is, last class or last year you have studied only 4 identities. But this chapter itself, the next topic is algebraic identities. So we are studying some more identities, useful identities. Okay, children? Shall I wind up the class now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.